Imagine waking up to the sound of your own screen. Well, that's exactly what has happened when I saw this email from GitHub. Copilot is now free for all GitHub users. Let me explain why this news is an absolute game changing event for every developer in this video. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to activate your GitHub Copilot and supercharge your learning and coding experience with few demos and features that will blow your mind. Let's go through this mail and see what they are offering. 2000 code suggestions, 50 Copilot chat messages for your refactoring, explaining, and debugging. And now you can change the model as well. You can either use OpenAI's GPT-4o or Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And you can render edits across multiple files, and there are multiple extensions for your web searches and Stack Overflow inside. Let's see how to activate your Copilot. If you already have a GitHub account, you would have probably received an email today about Copilot access. Click on the link in the email and it will take you to the Copilot page. There you select your favorite IDE. I'm going with VS Code. Then it will take you to the VS Code extension page. Clicking on it will automatically open VS Code and install Copilot extension. Once installed, it will ask you to sign in. If you already signed in your browser, just click on the browser option and Copilot will take your existing session. If you don't have a GitHub account, no worries. Simply create an account, then open VS Code, install Copilot extension, and follow the same login flow. It's that easy. Once activated, you can use both Copilot and Copilot Chat in your VS Code. Let's see GitHub Copilot in action. I'll write a simple API in Node.js using Express. Before that, let me install Express.js. You just have to write one single line of command saying create a basic Express.js server. Then all you have to do is hit tab whenever you see the suggestions popping out from Copilot. Copilot instantly writes the basic structure. Let's run this. Look at that, a working node server in seconds. Let me clear this and we'll move to Python. So I have a CSV file under this folder. Let's see how to import it as a data frame and do some basic functions. Now let's see Copilot Chat. This lets you to ask questions, refactor, debug, and even document your code. To open chat, you can either click the button on the right top or press Command I or Control I. You can scaffold a complete project with Copilot Chat. Let's say I want a portfolio website with HTML, CSS, and JS. Copilot generates the entire workspace for your portfolio project. From here, you can modify however you want. You might have noticed that whenever Copilot generates a code, it documents it as well. And let's see how it handles errors and fixes it. Not only fixing, you can ask the Copilot to refactor your code as well. Let's say I want this Express server to use async and handle errors also. It does it perfectly. GitHub Copilot being free opens up incredible opportunities for developers of all skill levels. It can handle everything from generating complete code blocks to assist with debugging and guide you through your learning process as well. But what do you think? Will you be using Copilot in your daily workflow? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates from the AI world. Until then, bye from Shri.